You are there. They always give you the picture.
Course.
Abroad, they are greener.
They are telling you nice stories, but the when you come, it's different stories altogether.
When you get here, that's when you get to know that the
Mm-hmm.
pasture is not green. You are the one coming to water the pasture to get green for you.
So is it that it's based on your own experience in Germany or in Europe?
Of course, I say like most of the bloggers or the influencers or so-called influencers are not telling the people, especially your agents. So I feel like you can use this medium to give the people the real story or the real experiences that are there. So don't get misinformed before traveling. Yeah, it's nice here, no two ways about that. But you have to be on the right path before moving. So you stop selling your properties and stop borrowing money to travel.
Charlie, experience they say is the best teacher, but sometimes it's also good to learn from others' experience as well. My people, you're welcome to the Diaspora POV, the channel where we capture real stories, real people, and real moments from the heart of the diaspora. Whether you are on the grind, in the streets, or in the boardroom, this is your perspective. The Diaspora POV. Let's get it. Can't get it cleaner on any other channel than this. Right here with me, I'm about to have a chat with two fellow Africans of mine who are also in the diaspora here, so we tell you what the channel is about, what it entails, and what you should look out for. Stay tuned. In the eyes for the diaspora.
I'm Madzi. We are all based in Germany.
Hi, I'm Sewa. So what's up? Why Diaspora POV? Why the name Diaspora POV?
Okay, the name Diaspora POV is because we are all based in the diaspora, and then Africans, mainly Africans in the diaspora have to find a way or medium to like connect. And we being here, whatever that we are coming to do on this channel to be through the eyes of the diaspora. We, the people living here, from the diaspora, from events, culture, everything that you can think of. Even when it comes to your traveling, what they don't tell you, what they tell you, just anything beyond the podcast you see on the internet, because it's a lot you come and experience in real life when you travel abroad than whatever you've been seeing or they told you before coming.
So is it that it's based on your own experience in Germany or in Europe?
Of course. I would say I always have the desire to travel. Yeah, I always had the desire to travel. But you are there, they always give you the picture. Abroad, they are greener.
They are telling you nice stories, but when you come, it's different stories altogether.
When you get here, that's when you get to know that the pasture is not green. You are the one coming to water the pasture to get green for you. So the opportunities are there, but then you have to fight for it. You get me? So yeah, it's this thing that I say like most of the bloggers or the influencers or so-called influencers are not telling the people, especially your agents. So I feel like you can use this medium to give the people the real story or the real experiences that are there. So don't get misinformed before traveling. Yeah, it's nice here, no two ways about that. But then you have to be on the right path before moving. So you stop selling your properties and stop borrowing money to travel.
Okay, so can you tell us a bit or a back story about yourself? I mean, your background, where you're coming from in Ghana, where you come here, you was
DB
like,
for where?
Tell us.
Full street too. DB for where? Oh, so originally, my heritage is Volta region, so I got to be precise. Yeah, I'm a Volta boy, but then I'm based for Accra for quite some time. I mean, like, I go fit to say I'm from average family, no, nothing extra. Oh, yeah. But then we just feel say, growing up at uni for GH, what else? Getting job will be a whole thing. So we feel say, before travel, at least come have another level of education, then increase your horizon on the job market. Then we see the next step ahead. So yeah.
So where uni you go?
I go Legon.
Oh, okay.
Legon, University of Ghana. The only university to be precise, I guess.
Okay.
Hey, no.
Yeah.
Careful there, man.
I mean, you all know say Kenya to be the best.
Yeah.
Pero of course, Kenya to be the best. So
big guys
of course.
That be what you want. That be what one of the think. But then we only know say there's only one university in Ghana. University of Ghana.
Let's just give it to him.
Yes, it be UG for now.
Yes.
If you reach you go debate against your phone, but for here, there, then.
I mean, the records are clear, but let's just give it to
Which
him.
records, man?
Let's just give it to him.
Anyways, we are in the diaspora now, so make those ones ready.
So how long have you been in Germany?
Oh, I've been here for, I think, almost 2 years now.
Oh, I see. So why now? Why are you now starting the diaspora lens?
You see, to tell a story, sometimes it's good to like settle in, soak in the air. I mean, like you don't just rush things.
Yourself.
You should be able to blend within the system. You know your left and right before you can be able to tell somebody what to do, what not to do. Mind you, this channel is nothing about advice or motivation. I personally, I don't advise or motivate, but because the channel will be doing more of interviews and like street interview and stuff. Maybe other like anybody that might come on, jump on the channel might give you an advice. But me personally, I don't advise. So I'm not here to advise, but rather we educate. Yeah, I'll take it from that. We educate. We can have convo if you see an insight to pick. But for me to advise you, go here, don't do this, don't do that. No, the do's and don'ts are part of the education you're coming to give, and not advice or motivation. So it took me this long because I want to blend it into the culture of the country or the continent itself. You see, so because if I don't have any experience, what am I coming to tell you? That's why from the beginning I said it's good, like experience, they say is the best teacher, but then it's also good to learn from other people's experience.
Because you know you've been here for a year now.
Yeah,
But
bro.
something triggered
Yes,
you.
of course.
I feel it's just the postcard. I see even people living here telling like potential immigrants or like people around, like they are not giving. I feel they are not giving them the
right
reality,
information,
the right
you
info,
know,
the
yeah.
actual like story that they are supposed to. Sorry, excuse me. They are supposed to give them. They are not giving them the reality. So, as a student living here, I feel there will be more students there will be more people who want to come for school, come to work, come to live. People even want to change their environment to come live in Europe, like Germany in particular. Like, it's just good to get the right info before moving, because what they keep telling you on the internet is not as it looks or as it is. Yeah.
So what's the crazy thing you heard someone in Germany saying and trying to make the immigrants come? That's packed.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Yeah, if I step someone on it, I know.
See, now you put it on matters.
Of course.
See, this is not to trash anybody's effort or anybody's how do you call it, source of income. Or I don't know if that is their source of income or whatever they're trying to do on the internet. But more of these people you see on the internet, because the internet is open to all. There's no entry fee. So anybody can jump on the internet to tell you anything. So people come and tell you, oh, travel come. Life here is sweet. You do this. They make it look as if like you don't have any hurdles, like no difficulties for you to, bro. See, the reality for here, you if you come within 6 months, I will never get a job as a student, or like even people coming with opportunity card, they don't get a job. You understand? Aside that, the life here is not as compared to home. You get me? But they don't give you the real story. They make it look as if the moment you come here, everything is successful. Let me mind you, coming to abroad is not success attainment. Because there have been people here for years and they never, like, they are not even, if I tell you that people are here, they don't even have 10,000 euros in their account, you don't believe. I'm not trying to say anybody or you that you are trying to come to Europe, if you come here, you're not coming to make it. Of course, there are people here who made it.
Of course.
There are people here who made it. So if you two come, you can make it. But I just want to let the people know that traveling, if you are lazy and if you are impatient, no travel, no come here. If you be lazy person, no travel. If you are impatient, no travel. But those your influencers or those people, then they will give you like these stories. You feel me?
I mean,
yeah. So we are here to. The channel is just to give you the cultures. What is here? There's life here. No two ways about that. There's life here from the streets to like the streetwears, the fashion, the festivals. As you can already see on the channel, like there is how do you call this? The just ended summer jam. There's a whole lot. So
I saw you rapping. I mean, you're rapping the whole Ghanaian community.
I got to do that shit for my people.
Okay, so I wanted to ask, would your channel also give the platform to educate people on how to come to Germany? I mean, the procedures involved. I mean, would you just give people the guidelines on how to come here properly?
Oh, okay. So I for one, I'm not an agent for, how do you call it, helping people or like recruiting people to come to Germany. But then maybe through this channel, we can link you to the right people. But then we are not linking you to agents help you to come. But because how do you call it, most experiences I've heard or like I've seen with the agent issues, they don't really do the people well. So it's not a channel to like brabroche. Like no. I know they can give you that greener pasture imagination. No, it doesn't work here like that.
Okay, but for 2 years now, how has life been for you in Germany? I mean, your personal experience.
Personal experience.
Yes. Is it rosy as you had in
Which
Ghana?
kind of
or
roses? As you
how
see,
is it like?
You see roses for here, bro.
I'm not the sea green.
Yeah, bro.
I'm not the sea green.
Yeah,
I'm the sea green. No pastures
it's all
here.
green now because it's summer. But then getting to winter, so it's all green. That's why they talk say it's not greener here until you come to water the pastures. It's not like a greener pasture as they put it on the postcards for you to see. You see me? Yeah. So the reality there, the truth is only one. Everything you can make it here, just as you can make it in Africa, you can make it anywhere. But like, they don't know if it's a trend. The narrative or like the trend of jackpot season. Yeah, that jackpot season, like, oh, you travel now, you go make them,
of
bro.
course, I mean,
if people tell you them actual stories when you hear.
Yeah, but there's one particular lie they've been lying the boys in Ghana. If you're coming to Abuchi,
yes, within 1 year, of course.
What be that lie? You make the boys people know.
No, I know about if you black boy, what will happen?
Forget. You they come Ghana from Ghana. The boggers and everybody go tell you, so, oh,
the boggers and boggers.
Young black guy, there, you come Ghana, Abuchi. You go see things.
Like in terms of success or beaches or what?
In terms of beaches, I mean. So let your people know. Let them get.
Charlie,
are you sure I'm ready for this now?
So the question is,
which no, this one we will throw it to the other audience to answer. Cause me, personal one person opinion on this thing. Maybe somebody did somewhere.
Well, maybe he can share his experience. Maybe he can. He can share experience.
Truth be told, the girls then they like the black girls, the black boys. No two ways about that. The white girls on they like the black boys, no two ways about. I mean then to get a notion say black power, manpower. You fool me? So that one there, it did.
But we did GH. They tell us say, oh, Charlie, you come now, Charlie. The whites there, you go chop them. Fala. As you come. It be so it be fala like the way they
disclaimer is the channel is not about sex, and this channel got nothing to do with all those sex conundrum that but then to address the issue how they call them, me I don't feel give anybody assurance. Sometimes I feel it depends where you are, but then you just know this Europe. The girls here they know they approach girl for street like GH or Africa. Over here they use dating apps. It's easier to approach girls on dating. So maybe the win the blacks might get is they're able to approach the whites in person because them are people don't really approach them in person. So I mean, woman there, they look out to you for your confidence. Yeah. So if you're able to approach them in person and they like you, fine. But here one thing I know we say, if the girl they date, forget say you go get number. If the girl they date one day, even if the boy they kill them for a relationship, they be so far as they are still together for. If you don't give you a number, no stress them because small thing, now you dey inside. You are in a no man's land, so take time.
It's very true.
The people go say you go enter jail right now. No, the white girls will see more of them to then get teacher than things. So if you don't take time, you will be referred to as a pedophile.
Of course, because a 12-year-old girl looks like 18, 19.
You see me,
so
course, I was almost a victim to that shit. So you got.
I think the next video maybe you would like to talk more about it because I'm very interested in knowing.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Of course. I mean, it's all part of the experiences. So why not? Yeah.
Everybody like matter.
Why not?
Yeah. So when it comes to the women and the black men, there, I feel say it's something normal. It be something where they on the know. Say the black men they like the whites they like the blacks. But then it's not just about like if you look beyond the distance. So that is another thing.
Then Diaspora Lens is really going to
of course
let people see
of course,
a lot of
the Diaspora POV there. Then it's coming with a whole package.
Yeah. Okay. I think it's really going to be very educative and informing.
Yeah. So full of education, information, experiences, and that because you are getting info from people's experience, like variety of people. It's not just me. I might not be the only person you'll be seeing on the channel because it's for the people, anybody at all, and people can call in to just come to say their stories and stuff. So it is the channel for the people, the diaspora, just to educate the people, like for the best. I think for the best.
Okay. So is it only going to be a table talk discussions, or we are going to hit the streets, go to different towns in Europe? I mean, you can go to Belgium, France. I mean, you have your Dutch line ticket, so.
Is this for Europe or only for Germany?
It's for Europe and beyond.
Okay.
As you can see in our description, it's for Europe and beyond. And I mean, as I mentioned earlier, we will update you with what traveling vlogs, your steps to travel if you want to travel to somewhere. If you are a student to Germany, what your student status or your student visa can be like, what you can use a student visa for, where you can go with that, the opportunities or the advantages you have as a student. If you are working in Germany, because we'll definitely be talking to some workers, those who came here just for work, those who came with the opportunity card, the normal hustlers on the street, guys. So yeah, the updates there be from all angles. It not be specifically just for school. So when it comes to traveling or the channel being for Germany, no, it's not for just Germany, it's for Europe and beyond. Because me, I'm a traveler. I go places left, right, center.
Maybe small cocoa the traveler.
Have you gone to different countries?
Oh yeah, I think 7 countries for now.
Ooh, I envy you. I envy you. I envy
Less
you.
than a year.
Just 2 years.
There's 7 countries. I mean, it be too small.
Okay.
But because of school, man has to study. You
Yeah.
have to then job.
Hustler
Too.
will be brailer.
Oh, I beg you. Yeah.
That's interesting. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I heard that when you're in Germany and then you're a student, you have something called Deutschland tickets that can help you travel all around Europe.
Yeah. That's as I mentioned earlier. Those are some of the advantages of choosing Germany as how do you call it? A destination for your international education, because with the Deutschland ticket you are able to travel anywhere within Germany and even to some of the neighboring countries like France. You can be able to enter France with a Deutschland ticket. Then maybe after you pick a train, then you can do the same thing to Netherlands, I think. Like most of the neighboring countries, and Germany share borders with almost about 4 or 6 countries like that. So
No, I think it would be very good if we have a whole discussion on this particular one, because I mean, some of us are here, they have the Deutschland ticket, but they don't know. Of course. So I think we'd have to have a whole interview, a whole discussion about this particular topic.
of course, we got you. It's I mean, the point of view of the people's experiences and people's thoughts. So whatever you experience, whatever you know, we just bring it about. So we got you covered. All you need to know as you are living here and as you want to come to Germany and beyond, Europe, Canada, UK, bro, we are networked. So don't worry, we got you covered.
I just can't wait.
It's a one
I
station.
just can't wait.
It's a one station with network, so we call it the Hover network.
Of course, I just can't wait. I mean, to see all the interviews, to see all the places you're going to go to. I mean, people's experiences. I mean, I think I may share my own experience maybe in one of your videos.
Of course.
Of course. I mean,
we are looking
a lot
up
of
to that.
experiences.
Beyonce.
This thing.
Things really they happen for
Yes,
you,
of
then that
course,
people are supposed to know beyond what they are seeing on the internet.
course,
So
of course.
it's just like the way they paint Africa to the world as a bush.
Yeah.
The same way, then we have to give people the reality, on the ground here.
yeah,
The Western
the
world
reality,
here
yeah.
is nice. The systems work good, but then it's not as
perfect.
It's not perfect. That's what you're
Yeah.
supposed to know. So
Yeah.
people thinking of selling their houses,
Oh, of course.
borrowing money
of
to
course.
travel, all those shenanigans, bro. Like there should be some
I
control.
mean, there should be some balance.
Yeah. So that is it for now. So yeah, once again, you are welcome to Diaspora POV. Feel free to leave in the comment section topics or issues that you would like us to talk about. This is the Diaspora. This is our POV. You've just watched the Diaspora POV, where every lens tells a story. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And stay tuned for new videos every week. Stay tuned. We out.